Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ualett app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ualett is a financial management app designed specifically for gig workers. It offers instant access to earnings by advancing funds based on your gig income activity. Unlike traditional banks, Ualett works without credit checks and targets independent contractors who need fast cash flow between payouts. The app connects to your gig accounts to verify income and determines eligibility for advances accordingly. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the quick approval process and same-day fund transfers, which can be a lifesaver in urgent situations. The interface is user-friendly, the process is transparent, and there are no hidden fees if you follow the terms. Many drivers and freelancers say it helps them bridge gaps between gigs without relying on payday loans. That said, there are a few drawbacks. The advance amounts can be limited, especially for newer users. Ualett charges a service fee on each transaction, and while it's upfront, it can add up if used frequently. Some users also report delays during busy periods and wish the app supported more platforms outside major gig apps. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Ualett is a solid option for gig workers needing fast and flexible access to their earnings. It's not a long-term financial solution, but as a short-term bridge, it does the job well. Just be mindful of the fees and don't rely on it too often. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.